second grade. Today we are playing and cooking up in Evie's kitchen, and it's the perfect opportunity to talk about equal parts. So today we're going to be able to confidently say, I can show and model equal parts with halves, thirds, and fourths. So Evie, are you ready to get cooking? All right, we're going to start cooking up some food to show equal parts with halves, thirds, and fourths. All right, Evie, let's go and do it. It's time to cook, time to cook, time to cook. All right, you get up and start cooking. Has cooked us up something real special in her kitchen. So today is all about halves, thirds, and fourths. So let's talk to second grade a little bit about these magic words, shall we? Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be looking at are halves. Halves mean there are two equal parts. They have to be equal. Equal is the clue word. If something is equal, that means that you and I can share it. If it's not equal, we don't get to share, and one person gets something more than the other. So on the back of this, you can see if I took this rectangle and I drew a line down the center, I knew that Evie would have one and I would have one. They are two equal parts. This is divided into halves. So that's one thing. We're looking for equal parts. Something can be divided in half, but it might not be equal. So halves are equal, two equal parts. All right, Evie? So let's put the number 2 over here. We need that one. All right, the second thing we're looking for in our kitchen today is thirds. Thirds is the number 3, and they have 3 equal parts. Again, something can be divided into 3 parts, but it might not be equal. Thirds are 3 equal parts. So in the back of this rectangle, you can see that I have it into 3, 1, 2, 3 equal parts. This is in thirds. Let's put our thirds card over here because we might need that one for later, okay? And then we have the one that is fourths, and fourths is divided into good, 4 parts, 4 equal parts. Again, we want equal parts because you could divide something into 4 parts, but if they're not equal, they're not 4. So we want everything to be equitable. So on the back, again, is our 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone gets the same. So let's put this over here. So Evie and I have some things in the kitchen. Some are equal, some are not equal, but she's going to help me out here. All right, Evie Lou. You ready? My C-sharp. Okay. You have to go help me. There's something cooking on the stove, and it has a lid on it. Can you go grab it for me right now? She's going to help me out. Can you bring it over here? A mushroom. Can you bring it over? All right, so let's show. Ooh, hot, hot. I can't touch the bottom. Whoo. Right, because it's on the stove. Ooh, I should probably need a minute. Just kidding. Now, here's our mushroom. Now, Evie, if I take it apart, how many parts do I have?
2.
I have 2. But, uh-oh. Are they the same? Are they the same? Are they equal? Evie says, no, they're not equal. So even though it's divided in half, they're not equal parts. I need to find something in my kitchen that would be 2 equal parts. Evie, is there something that has 2 parts? Maybe in a purple bowl over there, that would be my 2 equal parts. Oh, let's see. What do I have in this bowl? What's in here?
Apple.
An apple. And let's see. Here's my apple. Can you cut it in half for me? Whoa! Look at that. 2 equal parts, and I have 2 halves. That means I have found a match. Halves, 2 equal parts. Even though, again, my mushroom had 2 parts, they were not equal. So here we go, 2 equal parts. Cut in half, I got my apple. So this is perfect for our picnic lunch. Let's put that over right here in my house.
Let's do this one.
Now, well, not yet. Okay, you're jumping ahead of me. Can I help me? I got something else in mind. Now, Abby, I'm cooking something else up on the stove. And on the stove, it's something, oh, we're making sauce. And what's in there?
Tomato.
A tomato. Let's take it out. Now, Evie, you're going to help me cut it up, all right? Evie's going to cut this tomato up so we can see how many parts it has. Let's cut it up. 1, 2, 3. Let's look. Let's hold them up. We have 1, 2, 3. Are they all the same? They're not. Could we share these pretty equally? No, we can't. They're not equal parts. It isn't thirds because I can put it back together. 1, 2, 3. It has those, but they're not equal. So let's find thirds that was something that's equal. So let's have, oh, Evie Lou, I think something is baking in the oven. What's baking in the oven that goes good and not the other one, that's good in the morning? With some butter, maybe some coffee, or even with eggs. What is it?
Toast.
Toast! Okay, so let's cut our toast up and see if we have. It's kind of 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at this. 1, 2, 3. Are they all the same? Wow, they are all the same. So we call these 3 equal parts thirds. They're all equal. They're all the same. We have thirds right here. Awesome. So we have an apple for our picnic, and we have toast for our picnic. Okay, so now we have to find our fourths. Now, you said you want to look at this guy, right? What is this? Watermelon. And you're going to find out tomorrow just how much Evie loves watermelon. All right, let's cut it on up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Yes, 2 for you and 2 for me, but wait a second. Are they all the same, Evie? Uh-oh, are they all the same? No, we did divide it into 4 parts, but they're not equal. So we need to find something in our kitchen that has 4 equal parts. Oh man, I love watermelon. Well, we can save that for later. So is there something else in our kitchen that is baking right now that maybe has 4 equal parts that we can add to our picnic? Oh, what is this?
Pizza.
A pizza party? Let's check this one out. Wow. We found that missing piece. We've been missing that piece for a long time. Whoa! Look at this. Let's count them. Everyone, 1, 2, 3, 4. Evie, are they all the same?
Yeah.
And when I put them back together, that means I'm going to have 4 equal parts, which means we have fourths. This pizza is in 4 equal parts. So even though my watermelon had 4 parts, they weren't equal. So here we have 4 equal parts for our picnic. So Evie, let's tell our friends at home what we are serving for our equal. You want to do it again? We can do it again. Now let's tell our friends at home first. You want to do those ones? Well, you know what's in there? They're all holes. Because they're not, you can't divide these into equal parts. So inside here, it's just all of our holes right now. But we can check those out. So let's tell our friends first about what is here for our equal parts picnic. We have first in half we have
Apple.
Excellent. And what do we have in thirds here?
Toast.
Toast. And for our fourths we have
Pizza.
a pizza for our party. All right, I hope this helped explain equal parts, halves, thirds, and fourths. You can find lots of these fractions in your very own kitchen. So be thinking about them as your mom and dad are maybe cutting things up for you for lunch, sharing things between you and your siblings. You'll find lots of fractions in the kitchen, right, Evie? So let's tell them to go get cooking. Go get cooking. And what's Evie going to cook today? She's looking for more things. All right, second grade, until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave, Ev? Excellent.